Welcome back with a new Josh. We are here with our exercise 5.3. In previous video, we have done up to question number 8. In this video, we will start from question number 9 of exercise 5.3. In exercise 5.3, we are studying about sum of n terms of an AP. And what is its formula? Formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where this Sn represents sum of number of terms, a is first term, n is number of terms, and d is common difference. So using this formula, we will solve following questions. Now come to question number 9. What is given? If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. What is given, dear students? Sum of first 7 terms means S7 is equal to 49. And that of 17 terms means sum of 17 terms is 289. And it is given. Now, what we have to find? Sum of n terms. Using these conditions, we have to find sum of n terms. That is Sn. What we have to find? We have to find Sn. हमें यहाँ पर Sn find out करना है. Now come to solution part. What is given? S7 is equal to 49. It is given. S7 is equal to 49. Yes, dear students, from these two given conditions, we will form two equations. हम यहाँ से दो equation की formation करेंगे. After forming the equation, we will solve for A and D. After that, we will find Sn. And we will use this Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, using this formula, this S7 will equal to n by 2 means 7 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 means 7 minus 1 into d. And it is equal to 49. From here, 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1, 6d, and it is equal to 49. From here, 2a plus 6d will equal to 49 multiplied by, here 7 by 2 is there and it will become reciprocal of 7 by 2, means we will get 2 by 7, means we will multiply 49 by 2 by 7. Now 7 sevens are 49 and what it will become? 2a plus 6d is equal to 7 into 2. We get this equation. Now we can see that 2, 6, 2. These are multiple of 2. These are divisible by 2, so that we can take 2 as common. हम यहाँ पर 2 common ले सकते हैं. Then it will become a plus 3d and it is equal to 7. Let it is equation number 1. What is it? A plus 3d is equal to 7 and this is our equation number 1. Now using this condition, we will form another equation. What is given? S17 is equal to 289 and this S17 will be equal to, by using this formula, 17 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 means 17 minus 1 into d and it is equal to 289. And from here, 2a plus 17 minus 1, 16d and it will equal to 289. Here 17 by 2 is there. When we bring it here, it will become 2 by 17. 17 17s are 289 and from here we will get 2a plus 16d and it is equal to 17 into 2. Now taking 2 as common, a plus 8d and it is equal to 17. It is equation number 2. Now dear students, from these two given conditions we have formed two equations. What are given conditions? S7 is given and this S7 is equal to 49. Using this formula, this S7 will equal to 7 by 2 plus 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d and it is equal to 49. 2a plus 7 minus 1, 6d is equal to 49 and 7 by 2 is in multiplication. Then 2a plus 6d will equal to 49. This 7 by 2 will become 2 by 7. Now 7 7s are 49. 2a plus 6d is equal to 7 into 2 and these are divisible by 2. Then it will become 2a plus 3d is equal to 7. It is equation number 1. Now S17. S17 is equal to 289 and using SN formula, S17 will equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d and it is equal to 289, means 2a plus 17 minus 1, 16d is equal to 289 into this 17 by 2 will become 2 by 17 and from here we will get 2a plus 16d is equal to 17 into 2. Taking 2 common from both sides, we will get a plus 8d is equal to 17. So we get two equations, first and second. Now we will solve these two equations for finding the value of a and d. Now from equation first and second, first equation is a plus 3d is equal to 7, a plus 8d is equal to 17. Now we get two equations. We can use any of method of chapter number 3, elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method. I am using elimination method. Now by using this method, on subtracting we will get minus minus minus. A minus a cancel out. 3d minus 8d minus 5d. 7 minus 17 means minus 10. Minus minus cancel out. D will equal to 10 by 5 means d is equal to 2. So from here we get the value of d and d is common difference. Now we have to find the value of a. So for finding the value of a, we will put that value of d in equation 1. Putting the value of d in equation first. This a plus 3d. Now what is the value of d? So 2. So I can put here 2 is equal to 7. A plus 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6. A is equal to 1. So what is the value of a? 1 and it is the first term. Now we have to find sum of n terms. Sn we have to find Sn. This Sn is equal to by 2 into 2a. 2 into a. What is the value of a? 1 plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of d? 2. So from here n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel out. It is n by 2 into 2n. 2 cancel out and it is equal to n square. So what is the sum of first n terms? N square. This is our question number 9. Question number 10. What is asked in question number 10? Show that A1, A2, A3 up to AN form an AP. We have to show that these A1, A2, A3 up to AN form an AP. सबसे पहले हम चेक करेंगे कि क्या ये AP की फॉर्मेशन करते हैं या नहीं. Where AN is defined as, here one relation is given in first part of question number 10. What is given? AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. This relation is given. First of all, we have to find A1, A2, A3 and we will check whether they are forming an AP or not. सबसे पहले हम A1, A2, A3 ये टर्म्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे, फिर कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे. चेक करेंगे कि क्या ये टर्म्स आपकी एपी की फॉर्मेशन करती है या नहीं. इफ दे आर forming an AP, then we have to find the sum of 15 terms in each case. I will explain only first part. You have to do second part yourself, dear students. Now come to first part. What is given? An is equal to 3 plus 4n. To find S15, we have to find sum of first 15 terms. Before finding the term sum, we have to show whether they are forming an AP or not. So for this solution, An is equal to 3 plus 4n. For n is equal to 1, A1 will equal to 3 plus 4 into 1 means 3 plus 4 and it is equal to 7. For n is equal to 2, A2 and it is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2 means 3 plus 8 and it is equal to 11. Now for n is equal to 3, A3 and it is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3, 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. Now we will find A2 minus A1. What is the A2? 11 minus 7. So from here we will get 4. Now A3 minus A2 and A3 is 15 and A2 is 11 and we are getting 4. What we will write, because A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2, because difference of two consecutive terms is equal to difference of next two consecutive terms. It means it is forming an AP. Means we will write it forms an AP. After this, we have to find S15. For finding S15, we require A. And what is A? A is equal to A1 and A is 7. After this, D. What is the value of D? D is this 4. N is 15. Then S15 will equal to 15 by 2. We will use this formula, dear students. SN formula means N by 2 means 15 by 2 into 2A. What is the value of A? 7 plus N minus 1 means 15 minus 1 into D. What is the value of D? 4. It is equal to 15 by 2 into 7 2s are 14 plus 14 into 4. Now 15 by 2 into 14 plus 14 4s are 56. After this, 15 by 2 into 56 plus 14 or 14 plus 56, we will get 70. Then 2 35s are, and it is equal to 15 into 35. After this, 15 5s are 75, 7 carry, 15 3s are 45, 45 plus 7, 52. So from here, what we are getting, S of 15 terms is equal to 525. This is our question number 10. First part, I am repeating this question. What is given? A defined expression is given, and what is given in it? An is given. An is equal to 3 plus 4n, and what is given here? Why we are putting 1 2 3? Because it is given 1 2 3 and up to n. So we are finding first term, second term, third term. Now we will check whether difference between these terms is same or not. So for this, A2 minus A1 and this A2 minus A1 is 11 minus 7 means 4. A3 minus A2 means 15 minus 11 means 4. Now A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. It forms an AP. अब ये AP की formation करती है. Then after checking it whether it is forming an AP or not, what we have to find? We have to find the sum of first 15 terms. Means as 15. A is equal to A1. A is, what is the 15 terms is 525, means 525. This is first part, and dear students, you have to try its second part yourself. Same pattern you have to follow for this. Now dear students, next question, question number 11. What is given? If the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. What is given? Sum of first n terms means Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, means sum of n terms is 4n minus n square. We have to find what is the first term, that is S1. Why we are saying that first term represents S1? It is given, dear students, and what we have to find? To find first term means A1. What is the sum of first two terms? S2. What is the second term? Why I am writing S2 here? Because S represents sums, and sum of how many terms? Two terms. Then what is the second term? Means we represent term by A, so we will write A2. After this, find the third, A3. The 10th means A10, and the nth term means AN. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 values we have to find in this question. And what is given? Sn is given. Using this we have to find 6 answers. How we will find, dear students? Okay. Take one example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose I am having 6 numbers, and if I want to find sum of these 6, and it is asked that you have to find first term. अब इसमें इन सब का सम आपको टोटल गिवन है कि बोल दिया गया 1 to 6 नंबर्स में से ये, तो फर्स्ट टर्म क्या होगी आपकी 1 होगी. और अगर आपसे ये पूछा जाए सम ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म का सम कितना होगा, वो भी यही होगा. इट मींस S1 भी यही है और फर्स्ट टर्म भी यही है. व्हाई इट इज, डियर स्टूडेंट्स? अब देखो, अगर हम बात करें भाई इसमें से फर्स्ट नंबर कौन सा है, 1 है, और अगर हम बात करें फर्स्ट नंबर का सम कितना है, वो भी 1 है. व्हाई इट इज 1? बिकॉज अगर कोई नंबर ही नहीं है 1 से पहले, हमें सिर्फ इनमें से फर्स्ट टर्म का सम फाइंड आउट करना है. फर्स्ट टर्म का सम कितना होगा, वो टर्म खुद ही तो होगी. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज रिटन हियर what is the first term, and S1 is written here. So how we will write? Find A1 in solution. What we will write? Because S1 is equal to A1, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो फर्स्ट टर्म का सम है वो फर्स्ट टर्म खुद ही है. Then what we will write? We can replace this n by 1. S1 we will find from here. 4 into 1 minus 1 square is equal to 4 minus 1. And what is it? This S1. This S1 is A1. ये S1 क्या है? A1 है. This A1 is equal to 4 minus 1 means A1 is equal to 3. It means our first term is 3 and sum of first term is again 3. First term भी 3 है और first term का sum भी 3 है. Now we have to find the sum of first two terms, means S2 we have to find. What is given? Sn is given. Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. Then 4n is equal to 2. Because 2 के लिए find out करना है. Then this S2 will equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. Means 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square 4. 4 minus 8 minus 4 4. This is S2. अब हमें यहाँ पर फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स का सम मिल गया है S2. S1 plus A2. अब A1 किसके इक्वल है? S1 के, and we have to find A2 from here. Then A2 will equal to S2 minus S1 and it is equal to A2. So like this we can find our second term. So come to next line. A2. What will be the value of A2? S2 minus S1. A2. What is the value of S2? 4 minus S1. What is the value of S1? S1 is equal to A1 and it is equal to 3. Then A2 is equal to 1. This is our second term. Now what we have to find? A3. अब हमें A3 find out करना है. Using same formula, this A3 will equal to. Now अगर हम बात करें A1 plus A2 plus A3 की, and it represent S3. ये S3 को represent करता है, and S1 A1 plus A2 is S2 plus A3 is equal to S3. This A3 is equal to S3 minus S2. Means if we have to find the value of A3 from this, so that we have to find the value of S3 and S2, and for A3 it will equal to S3 minus S2. Means A3 is equal to S3 minus S2. So what we will do? We will replace n by 3. 4 into 3 minus 3 square minus 4 into 2 minus 2 square. Now from here, this A3 is equal to 4 3s are 12 minus 3 square 9 minus 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square 4. A3 is equal to 12 minus 9 3 minus 8 minus 4 4. A3 is equal to minus 1. This is the third term of the AP. Now come to 10th term. Means we have to find A10. Similar formula we will use here. A10 will equal to S10 minus S9. Yes बेटा, हमें अगर A10 निकालनी है तो इन सभी 10 टर्म्स के सम में से अगर हम फर्स्ट 9 टर्म्स का सम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमें A10 10th टर्म मिल जाएगी. Why we are using this formula? Because sum is given. हमें यहाँ पर sum given है. हम sum find out करने के बाद ये सब कर रहे हैं. Sum SN formula given है. SN is equal to 4n minus n square. n की values हमें given है 1 2 3 10 and so like this. We have to find A10. Then this A10 will equal to S10. S10 4 into 10 minus 10 square minus S9 means 4 into 9 minus 9 square. 4 times are 40 minus 10 square 100 minus 4 nines are 36 minus 9 square 81. 40 minus 100 minus 60. From here minus, what we will get? Minus 11 minus 6 5. 7 minus 3 4. From here minus 60 minus minus plus 45 and it is equal to minus 15. This A10 is equal to minus 15. Now what is left? An is left. How we will find this An? अब हमें nth टर्म फाइंड आउट करनी है. nth टर्म के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? सम ऑफ n टर्म्स माइनस सम ऑफ n माइनस 1 टर्म्स. यही करते आ रहे हैं भाई. जोन सी टर्म हमने निकालनी है उसके सम में से उससे प्रीवियस टर्म्स के सम तक हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते आ रहे हैं. सो फॉर An Sn minus Sn minus 1 means Sn is 4n minus n square minus Sn minus 1. We will replace this n by n minus 1 means 4 into n minus 1 minus n minus 1 square and big brackets. Now क्या किया बेटा हमने यहाँ पे? हमने n को n minus 1 से रिप्लेस किया. Now it is equal to 4n minus n square minus minus 4 minus, I am using big braces here. A minus b whole square identity we will use here. According to that identity, a minus b square will equal to a square, means here n square plus b square means 1 square minus 2ab. It means 2 into n into 1. Now this is, after this 4n minus n square minus, we will solve this 4n minus 4 minus n square minus 1 square is 1. Now from here we will get minus 2n and 1 minus is there, then it will become plus 2n. From here 4n minus n square. Now open these brackets, minus 4n minus minus plus 4 minus minus plus n square minus minus plus 1 minus plus minus 2n. Now solve these. 4n minus 4n cancel out, minus n square plus n square cancel out. From here 4 plus 1 5 minus 2n. This is our nth term. Yes dear students, only one thing is given, Sn is given, and using this Sn we are finding a1, s2, a2, a3, a10 and an. सिर्फ Sn given है और उसका यूज करते हुए हम ये सब फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. अब देखो हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ही नंबर गिवन है, एक ही है, तो इसका सम कितना होगा, जो इस नंबर की वैल्यू है वही होगा. इट मीन्स फ्रॉम हियर s1 इज इक्वल टू a1, मीन्स जो हमारी फर्स्ट टर्म है उसका सम वो फर्स्ट टर्म के इक्वल होगा. सो s1 इज इक्वल टू a1. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी गेट a1 इज इक्वल टू 3. नाउ s2, अब हमें दो टर्म्स का सम फाइंड आउट करना है, इन दोनों का सम फाइंड आउट करना है. इन दोनों के सम के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, n को 2 से रिप्लेस करके फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. अब हमें इन दोनों के सम में से ये पता है, ये फाइंड आउट करना है. दो के सम में से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, ये मिलेगा. व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ 2? 4. एंड व्हाट इज आवर फर्स्ट टर्म? 3. देन a2 will equal to 4 minus 3 means it is equal to 1. Now we have to find a3. means अब हमें 1 2 3 टर्म्स का सम पता है. 3 टर्म्स का सम पता है. कैसे पता है? If we replace this n by 3, we can find the sum of these first 3 terms. अगर हम इस n को यहाँ पे 3 से रिप्लेस कर दे, हमें 3 टर्म्स का सम मिल जाएगा. 3 टर्म्स का सम पता है और हमें ये सिर्फ थर्ड टर्म निकालनी है. इन 3 टर्म्स के सम में से अगर मैं इन 2 के सम को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूंगी, थर्ड नंबर मिलेगा. सो लाइक दिस आई हैव डन. a3 is equal to s3 minus a2. s2 means I am getting a3 is equal to minus 1. Now in the same manner we have to find a10. अब a10 के लिए क्या करना है, ये 10 नंबर्स हैं. 10 नंबर्स के सम में से ये 9 नंबर्स का सम फाइंड आउट करना है, तो हमें s10 मिल जाएगा. means this a10 मिल जाएगा. this a10 will equal to s10 minus s9. so this a10 is equal to minus 15. now we have to find an. nth term भी फाइंड आउट करनी है. अब nth term के लिए क्या करेंगे, we will subtract sum of n minus 1 terms from sum of n terms. हम n terms के सम में से n minus 1 term के सम को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, so that we will find the value of an. so like this, in same manner we have find an, and this an is equal to 5 minus 2n. so this is our question number 11. dear students, this question is very important. This question is very important and this question has come many times in our final board exams. So do this question very carefully.